Welcome to Car World, your ultimate destination for raw speed, cutting-edge engineering, and everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into a beast that needs no introduction. The 2025 BMW M3. This isn't just another luxury performance sedan, this is a legacy on wheels, a car that has defined driving excellence for decades. With the 2025 model, BMW has taken everything we love about the M3 and made it even better. Bolder and more brutal. The BMW M3 has always stood at the intersection of performance and prestige. Since its birth in the 1980s, it's been the ultimate driver's car, fast, agile, refined, and instantly recognizable. But the 2025 version, it's a whole new level. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or a muscle car purist, the new M3 is bound to grab your attention and maybe even your heart. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the engine. Under the hood of the 2025 BMW M3 lies a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, pushing out a staggering 525 horsepower in the competition xDrive model. That's more power than ever before in a standard M3, and it shows. The torque is instant, the acceleration is mind-bending, and the responsiveness is almost telepathic. BMW claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.4 seconds, but out in the real world, it feels even faster. What makes this M3 even more exciting is the available manual transmission in the standard rear-wheel drive version. That's right, in a world that's quickly shifting to automatics and EVs, BMW is giving drivers a choice. If you're a purist who loves to feel every shift, every gear change, and every ounce of control, this car is for you. The manual gearbox is slick, precise, and satisfying. The kind of transmission that makes you want to drive just for the thrill of it. On the other hand, if you want sheer grip and performance, the xDrive all-wheel drive system has you covered. It's smarter, faster, and more dynamic than ever before. In regular driving, it feels like a balanced sports sedan. But push it into M mode, and suddenly the beast wakes up. Power is sent mostly to the rear wheels, letting you slide through corners with control and confidence. Whether you're tearing through a track or carving up mountain roads, the M3 remains composed, confident. Now let's talk about design. The 2025 M3 looks aggressive, athletic, and absolutely unmistakable. The controversial kidney grille remains, but somehow, it works better here than on any other BMW, flanked by angular LED headlights and aggressive air intakes. The front end screams performance. The body lines are sharp, aerodynamic, and muscular. From the side, the flared fenders, sculpted rocker panels, and carbon fiber roof remind you that this car means business. At the rear, quad exhaust pipes and a subtle rear diffuser give it that classic M touch, refined but wild. Inside the cabin, BMW has raised the bar again. The 2025 M3 is packed with premium materials, cutting-edge tech, and motorsport-inspired details. The new curved display, combining a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen, is the centerpiece of the cockpit. Powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, it's sleek, fast, and intuitive. Voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's over-the-air updates, it's all there. But what really stands out are the M-specific features. The customizable M-Drive modes, the head-up display with shift indicators, the adaptive M suspension, everything is designed to give you maximum control and feedback. The optional M carbon bucket seats are sculpted for track use, but comfortable enough for long drives. They not only look fantastic, but reduce weight and lower your center of gravity. BMW hasn't just built a fast car, they've built a driver's machine. They've done it while keeping the M3 remarkably practical. For doors, usable rear seats, a decent trunk, this is a car you can live with every day. Even as it sets your soul on fire every time you drive it. Let's not forget about the sound. One of the most controversial aspects of modern performance cars is how they sound. Thankfully, the 2025 M3 sounds fantastic, both from the outside and inside the cabin. With the exhaust valves open, The inline-six roars with a deep, aggressive note that builds into a thrilling wail as you climb through the revs. BMW has managed to retain that classic M tone while meeting modern emissions regulations and That's no small feat. As for technology and safety, the M3 has it all. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, parking sensors, surround view cameras, you name it. BMW has loaded the M3 with driver assistance features that don't interfere with the driving experience, but enhance it. Whether you're commuting in comfort or unleashing fury on the Autobahn, the car adapts to your needs. Fuel economy? Well, let's be honest, no one's buying an M3 for its miles per gallon, but even here, the 2025 model surprises. With its advanced engine tech, auto start-stop, and lightweight components, the M3 is more efficient than ever before. BMW estimates around 22-23 mpg combined, depending on the model and how heavy your right foot is. Pricing for the 2025 BMW M3 starts at around $76,000 for the standard manual version and goes up to about $85,000. For the fully loaded M3 competition, xDrive. Yes, it's expensive. But when you consider the performance, luxury, and legacy you're getting, it's actually a bargain in the world of high-performance sedans. And here's something even more exciting. BMW has teased a potential M3